P is for picture poem. The Kite. A high-flying acrobat, I fluttered in the breeze, way up in the clouds above all the trees. I'm a bright shooting star, a rainbow with sails, or maybe a dragon with a long curvy tail. When there is a March wind hanging on tight to me, I decorate skies. Look up and you'll see. Going down the wire here. My tail keeps me smooth and steady. Let me fly when you are ready. And then we have I dip and I twist and I dip. So on both sides they say the same thing. And here, hang on tight, hang on tight. If you let go, I'll fly out of sight. Hang on tight, hang on tight. If you let go. Q is for quatrain. My quilt. My grandmother made the quilt on my bed with squares made of memories and colorful thread. So remember, quatrain is 4 lines, so each stanza has 4 lines. This pink square was cut from the first dress I wore. The yellow square came from some pants that I tore. I wore this square fishing, and that to the zoo. To the park I wore red, to first grade I wore blue. My quilt is so special, that's no mystery. Each night I sleep tight with my own history. That's so cute. R is for rap, cowboy rap. I want to be a cowboy, I want to ride a horse. So I went to the boss man and told him this, of course. He asked me how I ride, and he asked me other things. But the last thing that he asked me is could I sing? I gave a little smile and a yippee yippee yay. And the boss man said I do, and he hired me right away. He told me cows are restless when night is dark and deep. He said that it was up to me to sing them cows to sleep. We rode across the prairie, we rode the whole way long, and sitting in the saddle, I thought up my sweet song. And when the stars came out, with my lasso across my lap, I rode out with them cows and started up my rap. With a scritch and a scratch and loud noises by the batch, I called out them cows, all you mamas hear me now. Chew your cud in the mud. Don't you worry about no thing. Swing your cute little tails to the rhythm that I sing. All them cows start mooing. I thought they liked my lead, but the next thing I knew, they had started to stampede. The boss man was angry. He said, "Son, you're gonna change. By tomorrow when you sing, just sing home, home on the range." On the next slide, you're going to tell me, what is this cowboy rap about?